Hello, hello. 390 Wagon Master here with another patented Wagon Master unboxing. I'm in a very Van Halen mood today. I've been binge watching Van Halen videos. Hey, anywho, Diver Down really wasn't a bad album. Okay, so uh, I have an extremely large box. So I want to thank the folks over at El Presidente. This is a twofer unboxing. We're going We're going to unbox a radio that has not yet been seen in the United States, as far as I know of. I don't know. Maybe somebody else has one, but I believe that this is probably one of the first. So that's kind of cool. And then another part of this unboxing, it's like I said, like a dual thing, right? So it's like a twofer. Dude, I'm so excited. I can't even get it out. So as you guys know, one of the reasons why I call these patented Wagon Master unboxings is because I don't do retakes. So when I flub up, I flub up and it's on film. Anyway, so here's the deal. President was nice enough again to sponsor our fourth annual 4th of July giveaway. Now, I was going to announce the 4th of July giveaway like at the beginning of the week, but I wasn't sure if this was going to get here in time. It's here. So I'm super stoked. So first of all, I want to thank President for sponsoring our 4th of July giveaway, and our 4th of July giveaway is for UDX. God, I was going to say UDX employees. I can't think. I'm so excited. For UDX members only, and it's not going to be a random giveaway. This time you're going to have to answer some trivia questions. So we'll work on that, and I will post this stuff in my community section. It just spittled. I'm so excited I just spittled. So let's get started. All right, enough of this. So anyway, and the cradle will rock. Yeah, the cradle. Sorry, Eddie. Anyway, there you go. This is my lame attempt at creating, the VH look. So, what are we going to do first of all? Oh, wow. Hold on. I got to see what's in here. Holy Toledo. Okay, well, I get dibs on one of these. So, we've got some stuff here for giveaway, right? Oh, dude. Oh. Thank you, Jobby. We've got some El Presidente hats. Got a few of those. I got 2 of them. That is awesome. That's way more than I expected. So, of course, one of these is mine because I own the place. All right, so we've got those. So we're going to do one of those. We got some El Presidente decals, which everybody gets, right? All right, so check this out. Look at this, guys. Oh, yeah. The 100-watt version. Look at that. 100 watts. 3D. Oh, and another thing that makes my videos kind of unique is terrible lighting and camera work and audio, now that I think about it. But anyway, so there we go, dude. Here it is. Oh, I am so stoked. I am so stoked to hook this up. So I am going to hook this up tonight. And I'm going to test it out. I'm going to open it up and compare it with my 80-watt version, and we'll see. But yeah, man, that's awesome. Look at that. Look at that, boys. The new El Presidente Washington. Did I happen to mention this is the 100-watt version? Yeah. Let's take it out of the box. No, hold on. We'll take that out of the box. Okay, so I want you guys to stick around. I'm sorry, I'm rambling. I'm too excited. I'm so stoked, bro. Okay, we got some packing paper. Lovely. I'll throw that over there. I'm a hoarder. I need that. So here's what we have. This is what we're giving away. Now, first of all, I'm going to tell you right now that when you receive this, when the winner receives this package, it will be opened because I'm going to show you folks, well, we're going to do a video on it. So I'm going to do a video on it. This is the President, I think they called this the starter kit. I will have to go back and look in my notes. But what this is this is a combination, the little Virginia antenna and the Bill 3. So like you get the ultra compact setup. So that's that. I may just do an unboxing video on that. But anyway, look at that. That's a brand new box. Oh, from Uline. That's class. So I used to order Uline boxes. Those are spendy. So anyway, we'll do an unboxing on that. But this is going to be one of the prizes in our 4th of July giveaway. And possibly, leave comments down below, possibly we might even do one of those hats. I don't know. And I more than likely will give away a hat that I didn't wear. So that'll be cool. That's another bonus. All right, so seeing as y'all stuck with me this long with all this terrible lighting and my rambling, let's take a look. I don't have anything I can put this on, do I? Yeah. This is going to be... Oh, I'm psyched. I'm psyched for this. I honestly believe there's possibly something a little more to this. So than the 80-watt version. So we have 3 different manuals. Wow. Okay. The Washington ham radio. I got 4 manuals in here. That's interesting. Very cool. All right. And yeah, I mean, we've got a bracket and a microphonium and all that. Okay, so I can just tell you right now that this is going to need the fan kit, right? Okay, so they did not put the fan kit in with the Washington, which is something I've been wondering here for the last couple days. But, you know, some people aren't as long-winded as I am. Is that bigger? Anyway, some people are not as long-winded as I am. I like the fan kit. So to me, I don't have my other Washington right here, but it's like the heatsink is styled a little different. Okay. But yeah, it looks the same, feels the same. Who remembers getting a Radio Shack radio, whether it was a CB, whether it was a pocket radio or a cassette deck? You remember that Radio Shack smell on Christmas Day? You know, you got the sound of the styrofoam, and you can just smell all that flux from those Radio Shack radios. Oh man, that was awesome. Okay, well anyway, that's not what we have here. So please remove. So I'm going to remove this. I don't know if you guys know this by now, but I don't like to peel the protective protector there. So here we go. I honestly think this has like slightly different feel to it. That rotary encoder has a slightly different feel. This is going to be cool. I'm going to put them both side by side. But there it is, guys. Look at this. 3D. No. That is so cool. President AM, FM, single sideband Washington. All the controls seem to be the same as far as like where they're laid out, talkback, function, etc., etc. They have the same feel. I think this knob's a little tighter. I definitely think this is possibly upgraded. But that's cool. And I believe this is 24 volt, right? And dual polarity, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, it's got all the bells and whistles and then yet some. But that's it, you guys. Look at this. The President Washington 100-watt model in my hands. That's awesome. All right, so leave questions or comments down below. I will get this on the bench, and I'm going to start CQing up a storm tonight. Stay tuned for a quick overview video, maybe even a couple DX videos with it. And then after I use this for a while, I'll give you like one of those deep dive reviews. And, you know, tell you what I think, what I like, what I don't like. But that's cool. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Have yourself a super fine one. Stay tuned for info on that. And, of course, our July 4th giveaway, Independence Day giveaway, I should say, which is scheduled for 12 o'clock noon Mountain Daylight Time. So that would be 11 o'clock Pacific, right? And then, you know the deal after that. So when you go out the other way, it's 2 hours the other way. So we're going to do it at 12 o'clock noon my time. And I will be doing that live. And again, that's for the other setup, not for this. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Cheers.